So today's topic is how to make an invite-only login view, and I'm currently working since 2 days for that. First of all, you need a developer license from Apple, and after that you need to configure Firebase and Xcode and hope that it works. But right now I have issues with not sending verification codes to real numbers. With fictional numbers on Firebase it works, but as mentioned, with real numbers it's currently not working. And also because we are having invite only, we need a different kind of login process or login layers. So let's look at this. Planning to make our app invite only. So for that reason we need a login process where users can only log in or create an account if they have been whether signed in earlier, then they can log in, or if they have an invitation link or code, depending how we will make it, then they can create an account. And right now it's a bit complicated because we want to use also Apple sign in with Apple to make it easier for the users to create an account. But there are complexes with Firebase and so on. By the way, Firebase is the backend from our app, which we use because it's the easiest way to get started with a backend in mobile development, especially for Apple apps. And yeah, maybe let's talk about the reason why we want to make it invite only, or one of the reasons. There are many, but one of the reasons is we want to get people who are, let's say, like-minded or have the same spirit and so on. You know what I mean, that kind of things. And if we send, for example, the code to a person who we think who sits to our app, and he can share it with, let's say, with other two people of his choice, and then the app gets spread and sent, and the invitation link gets sent to the others. That's one reason why we want to make it invite only. But there are drawbacks also. We can't have, not everyone can log into app. That may cause low revenue, and also there are always discussions whether it is discriminating others who can't join the app, who don't fit to the apps to our profile. There are a lot of talks, but we thought it would be much cooler and better for the app if it is invite only. So it makes a little incentive to look at our app, and that's also probably the reason for why we have also pop-ups, and maybe it's also the reason why pop-ups don't advertise everywhere. So every person joins the pop-up, it's fully booked out and so on. So we want a small niche, we want a small niche, but a really, really strong community in that sense. I don't know if you could understand it. You can ask questions, of course, in the comment section if you have any, but these are the main reasons why we choose the invite-only app. So for example, this is right now how our login view looks. Design will get changed, but the main functions are that way. You choose your country here, there are many, and type in your phone number. This is, for example, a test number, a fictional one. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5. Then you send verification. Then normally you receive the verification code and you type in the code, fix and verify. Then it should move to whether the account is existing. It should move to the dashboard. Otherwise, it should navigate to the invitation link view. So basically, if you don't have an account, you need an invitation link. How we manage to send the invitation links and whom, we at the moment we don't know, but we will probably pick people who we think are a good starting point to send an invitation link, and send them codes or links, depends what type of verification we choose. And the other one is we collect the emails who try to log in but don't have an invitation link. They could write their email down, and we could send them afterwards email with an verification link, with an invitation link. So these are the two main things we came up with. If you have a better suggestion, feel free to comment below, and otherwise, thank you for watching, and we see you again.